Tired of flat, lifeless visuals in your Unity games? Let's inject some realistic lighting and atmospheric effects using Photon Sol, right here on Windows. First, ensure you have Unity version 2019.4 or higher installed. Open your project, or create a new one. This is important as Photon Sol requires a certain level of Unity support. Next, head to the Unity Asset Store and search for Photon Sol. Click the Buy Now button, then proceed through the purchase process. If you already own it, simply click the Import button. Once the import is complete, a window will pop up asking you which assets to include. Select All and click Import. This will bring all the necessary files into your project. Now, navigate to your hierarchy window. Right-click and under Photon, add Sol Global. This object controls all of Sol's global settings. In the Inspector panel for Sol Global, you will find a Profiles field. Click on the button to add a new profile. Choose a suitable starting profile or create a new one from scratch. These profiles will store your settings for different lighting scenarios. Tweak the various settings like ambient intensity, directional light color, and fog to achieve your desired look. Experiment with different values to see how they impact your scene. See how quickly Sol brings your scene to life. It's all about finding the right balance. So go ahead and keep playing with the settings until you reach the desired result and give your game a more realistic environment.